So how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages? First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps. Open the apps like this, wait a few seconds, scroll until you find the messenger and then click on messenger like this. Click on force stop and then click on storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. When you click on delete, all the app data is gonna be deleted as you can see. Go back and now click on the power usage details. And now all what you want to do here is make sure to enable the power consumption alert. Go back like this, go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 7 seconds and then disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.